Is there any way to show the dependency trees for pip packages? I have a project with multiple package dependencies, the main requirements being listed in requirementstxt. When I call pip freeze, it prints the currently installed packages as plain list. I would prefer to also get their dependency relationships, something like this. The goal is to detect the dependencies of each specific package. And insert these into my current requirements text. For example, for this input, I would like to get Is there any way to show the dependencies of installed pip packages?
You should take a look at pipe dependency. It doesn't generate a requirementstxt file as you indicated directly. However, the source, 255 lines of Python code, should be relatively easy to modify to your needs, or alternatively you can, as at Marrow's indicated is in the pipe dependency 0.3 readme, use. The 0.5 version of pipe dependency also allows JSON output with the JSON option, that is more easily machine parsable, at the expense of being less readable.
Warning, Py2 only, abandonware. Yoke can display dependencies for packages, provided that they were installed via setup tools. Came with metadata that includes dependency information.
You can do it by installing pipe dependency package. Open command prompt in your project folder. If you are using any virtual environment, then switch to that virtual environment. Install pipe dependency package using pip. This package will list all the dependencies of your project. For more pipe dependency,
I realize that many years has passed since this question was asked, but it showed up in my searches, so I thought I'd share some knowledge. The pip tools package contains a tool called pip compile that seems to also solve the original poster's problem. Pip compile takes an input file, which can be setup.py, setup.cfg, pyproject.toml, or requirements.in. The input file is what you write by hand and contains the direct dependencies. It may not specify exact dependency versions, but may use version ranges, nor no constraints at all. The tool outputs a new requirementstxt file with all the indirect dependencies added and also pins down the dependencies to exact versions. If you run the pip compile tool again after updating the source file, it will add or remove dependencies from the output file if needed. You can also choose to upgrade a specific dependency by adding a flag. So while pip compile does not show you the dependency tree itself, it helps you with collecting all the leaves of the dependency tree, which I assume was what the original poster wanted to do in the end. Read more here, this URL.
What does he want? Please subscribe.